Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. Indeed, this is our last class, so this is going to be the review workshop. And because it is the review workshop, that means it has all the topics we saw along the second term. So we have equation. The A is for equations. The B is for linear equations. No, it's for linear functions with analytics. The C is for linear functions with tabulation. The D is for linear equation systems, and the E is for quadratic equations. Okay, so that will be all. I'm going to be here if you need me, so please let me know if you need something. And you have a delivery deadline until midnight of today. Okay, and the final exams mock is going to be available as well, but only after Wednesday at midnight. Okay. So thank you very much for your attention. You're very so kind. Remember to follow me at all my social media and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in another video.